Hello everyone, I'm Joe from adhere. I'm here in our simple room to show you something special. As you know, adhere is a manufacturer of wire harness, so we also specialize manufacturing automotive wire harness that power not just vehicles, but the technologies that drives them forward. Each harness we create is engineered with precision and care, ensuring top quality and reliability. Our product connect and protect the electrical system of vehicle, making sure they operate smoothly and efficiently. From small car to large industrial vehicle, our wire harness are at the core of automotive innovations. We ensure every product meets regular standards because safety and performance are our top priorities. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay connected with us to see more of how we are powering the automotive world. This is Joe from adhere, driving technology forward. Goodbye.